All right. Yes. Welcome back, everyone, to Altcoin Daily. Happy to have you today. Thanks for checking in. My name is Aaron. I'll be doing the video today. And if you're new to Altcoin Daily, basically what we do is we bring daily videos to you on everything altcoin, everything cryptocurrency, trying to make it very straightforward, trying to make it very easy to understand. So today, what are we talking about? Today we're talking about a cryptocurrency called Dragonchain. It's number 64 on the charts, but to many people, it's number 1 in their hearts. It's blockchain business magic. And basically, I think it's actually a good cryptocurrency with a lot of room to grow. Today, I'm going to be telling you all about it, what they do, what their goals are, what problems they're trying to solve, what makes them different. I'm going to make things super easy to understand. I'm also going to be mentioning a partnership they may have in the works that's actually pretty big. And then I'm going to be giving you actually my price prediction for Dragonchain by the end of this year. I'm going to tell you where I think that could go. So either way, maybe you're looking to invest in cryptocurrency. It's still a good time in my opinion. We're still way off from all-time highs. Or maybe you're just looking to stay involved in the space. Either way, sit back, relax, and let me share with you all the information I have on Dragonchain. If at any point you find value in this video, please give it a like or a comment. That helps me grow as a channel. Anyways, let's get into it. Dragonchain. Get connected to the commercial platform. Well, first of all, how did they start? What is it? Dragonchain cryptocurrency, it first hit the market actually pretty recently, December of last year. So December of 2017. And it was developed by Disney, actually. Yes, that Disney. Because actually in 2015 and 16, Disney was developing it as a private blockchain. But then they realized somewhere during that process that, hey, this could actually be maybe even bigger than just Disney. We can open source it, we can make it a platform, make it a business. And that's when it became a cryptocurrency for everybody. So what is it? I mean, what is Dragonchain? Well, Dragonchain is focusing on providing blockchain solutions to businesses and enterprises. So it's targeting businesses. That's their core market. And it's a platform. Dragonchain is a platform just like Ethereum, just like Neo, just like Cardano. But to say Dragonchain is just another blockchain platform is underselling them. It's like saying Disney is just another movie company, because in reality, there's so much more. So anyways, what problems is Dragonchain trying to solve? That's something I like to ask myself when I first start looking at cryptocurrency companies. And there's really two main features of Dragonchain, two main problems they're trying to solve. And the first one is security on a blockchain platform. That's problem number one. So data exposure and security, it's a known issue to large institutions wanting to leverage blockchain technology, as typically they have very sensitive customer data that sometimes has regulatory or even legal risks associated with it. Say you're in the banking industry, your health or identity, etc. And currently, and in the past, the current solution for this, for making sure this data doesn't get out, is either creating a separate system which requires extra design, extra money, extra time, extra development, or the other solution is by obfuscating the data. That basically means scrambling it, but of course the risk there is that somebody could come along and unscramble it and discover this data if they can tap into whatever encryption you're using. So the cool thing about Dragonchain is that a core feature, something very important to them, is they're going to make their blockchain, and businesses who want to develop on their blockchain, they're going to make it standard procedure to give these businesses maximum security and give them and their customers peace of mind. And the second problem they're trying to solve for these businesses is the skill set challenge. So businesses who want to leverage blockchain technology for their real business initiatives, the problem is it's expensive and it's very risky for an operational environment. It can be expected to result in low success rates, as the creation of software that without blockchain technology, so that even without talking about blockchain, the creation of software is already fraught with difficulty, and then the addition of a relatively new technology such as blockchain with crazy features such as cryptography, proof of work, economics, currency modeling, game theory, and custom programming languages, it's sure to cause more trouble for the team than it's worth. Basically, if a business today wants to get into blockchain, it's going to cost them, it's going to be something they don't know about. It's going to cost them a lot of time, a lot of money, and they might not even have success with it. So basically, Dragonchain is trying to solve that problem for the businesses by offering them a service. Let's talk about that right now. How are they different? How is Dragonchain different? Well, they're offering turnkey solutions for businesses that want to implement blockchain technology. Turnkey. What is that? That means they're basically making things incredibly easy for these businesses. They are providing a one-stop shop ecosystem where businesses can find all the people, all the tools, all the technology that they need to set them up for success. So basically with Dragonchain, some of the benefits for these businesses are lower development costs, faster speed to market, significantly higher levels of security, and higher scalability, stuff like that. And you can see some of the stuff they offer here. White labels, smart contract libraries. They offer security, scalability. They use Amazon, AWS, and Google for their deployments. They're a serverless system with smart contracts. And basically, to go further talking about Dragonchain and what they offer, I want to break it down into the 3 aspects that set Dragonchain apart from its competition. So we'll be looking at right here, we'll be talking about 1, their blockchain platform, 2, their incubator, and 3, their marketplace. And then I want to show you this quick video because now that I set it up for you, it's going to make this video a whole lot easier to understand. But first, so they have their platform feature, their blockchain platform that offers strong security and protection for a business's assets, where businesses can retain complete control of their data. Number 2, their incubator. They incubate these businesses that are coming onto their platform. They make it super easy, super user-friendly for businesses to integrate into Dragonchain and set them up for success using a blockchain. The services that they're offering is that they set these companies up for success and give them a chance to thrive by offering them direct access to legal experts, technical experts, marketing experts, advice, support, all that. And then finally, to go, it coincides with their incubator, they offer a marketplace. Basically, leverage an ecosystem of pre-built smart libraries, smart contracts, qualified vendors, specialized experts, and incubated projects. And then, of course, the marketplace is also somewhere where developers can come and get paid to create white label pre-built smart contracts that then companies could use Dragon tokens to purchase from the marketplace. It's a really cool thing they got going on here. Now that I kind of explained that, let's watch this video real quick. It's about a minute long, and you'll be able to truly get a sense of what Dragonchain's about. And then we'll get into some of their partnerships and where I see Dragonchain going.
From the Disney team that released Dragonchain open source comes the Dragonchain commercial platform and incubator. First, let's look at the Dragonchain platform that focuses on protection of business assets. It's a turnkey and scalable environment using a serverless architecture that empowers smart contract developers to use established programming languages such as Java, Python, Node, and C#. In addition, all smart contracts have full access to Amazon AWS services and capabilities. Next, let's look at the Dragonchain Incubator that standardizes the process to launch a blockchain project. It provides early access to exciting projects and is scaled by active crowd participation. Now let's look at the Dragonchain Marketplace, an ecosystem of verified subject matter experts across disciplines such as crypto, marketing, legal, software development, and recruiting. Also included in the marketplace are libraries of pre-built smart contracts monetized by developers for reuse. Finally, the Dragon, a tokenized microlicense to access all services across the Dragonchain platform and ecosystem designed for blockchain business magic. Be a part of the most secure, flexible, and business-friendly blockchain platform and ecosystem.
All right. Very interesting. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments. And actually something that I found kind of interesting is they were talking about how the Dragon tokens will be used. So they were saying as an investor, if you have Dragon tokens, you'll be able to use the tokens to invest in their incubated companies, and you'll have first access to these companies. That's pretty cool. Basically, the Dragon token, it's an access token to their ecosystem. Also, as an investor or as a developer rather, if you're looking to monetize your skills by adding to their white label smart contract libraries, you'll be accepting Dragon tokens as payment. And of course, if you're a business, you'll be using Dragon tokens to purchase the services offered by Dragonchain. And before we get into my price prediction for the company, if at any point you find value in this video, give the video a like, please. Helps me out as a channel. I want to talk about Dragonchain and Starbucks, because Dragonchain, it's located near Seattle, Washington. You know they are part of the Disney company, but Starbucks is also located in Seattle, Washington. And what's kind of interesting is that at one point, somebody a higher up in Starbucks was an advisor to Dragonchain, and the only reason she's not listed as an advisor anymore is because they didn't want everybody, basically, because Dragonchain is so close with Starbucks. They go to their headquarters all the time. This tweet, thank you all at Starbucks headquarters today for your warm welcome. Hope you're as excited with Dragonchain and blockchain now as we are. #disrupt. Or how about this one? Advised by experts. #Starbucks. And this is actually where they talk about their advisor, who is part of Starbucks. The only reason she's not an advisor right now, at least what the speculation is that Starbucks and Dragonchain didn't want people to think they had an official partnership. But either way, we've seen reports before that Starbucks is looking to get into the blockchain space. Dragonchain is very much positioned to be that company that takes Starbucks into the decentralized blockchain space. So very interesting what they have going on. I just want to keep that on your radar. Even if it's not Starbucks, Dragonchain is positioning themselves to help with Expedia or Boeing or any of these companies, and it only takes one or two to really put Dragonchain, get it to the next level. And actually, they have companies right now inside their incubator. You can check out their site and find out about that. Nothing as big as Starbucks, but still. So basically, Dragonchain, let's talk about this information. Dragonchain right now is sitting at 132. They have a market cap of $300 million. That's relatively low, I think. And they have a circulating supply of 200 million and a total supply of 400 million. So not too shabby at all. They were seeing all-time highs at over $5. And now they're only at 130 or whatever, so they're way down from their all-time highs. It would be nice. It would have been. I think Dragonchain is a good project. I think this is a company that's going to help a lot of businesses get involved with blockchain, especially now we're seeing the sentiment of businesses. Businesses are liking blockchain technology more and more, and Dragonchain might be the company that takes many of them to the next level. Now, if you're an investor in Dragonchain, you'd have first access to invest in these companies in their incubator. It would have been nice to get into Dragonchain under $1, but I do think Dragonchain has a lot of room to grow, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Because Dragonchain, it's with a $300 million market cap and a $200 million circulating supply. It is a blockchain platform that competes with companies such as Ethereum, with a market cap of 66 billion, such as EOS, 10 billion, Cardano, 7 billion, even NEO. NEO is still relatively new, just like, even Cardano, but NEO has a market cap of $5 billion. So NEO doesn't have tons and tons of projects building on its platform at the moment. They only have, a handful, although they are farther than Dragonchain. But my point is, let's say that I think we're going to see, right now we're at a $400 billion market cap. I think we're going to see market cap this year reach all-time highs. I think it could even by the end of the year get into the trillions. So everything's going to be going up, in my opinion. But let's just say Dragonchain gets to a $5 billion market cap. And let's say even by that point, their circulating supply, let's say it increases from 200 million to 300 million. Now let's see what the price would be by the end of the year if Dragonchain can do that. price would be over $16. So that's where I think Dragonchain can go by the end of the year. That's my price prediction. Of course, I'm no expert. I'm just a normal guy who was able to make some money in cryptocurrency, and I plan to make a whole lot more. I think Dragonchain is a good project. I don't think it's a bad idea if you got involved at $1.30, but either way, I'd keep Dragonchain on your radar. So once again, like the video. If this video gave you value, it helps me grow as a channel. If you're new, you might want to subscribe. And either way, thank you for checking out today's video at Altcoin Daily. Over the next several weeks, while the market cap is rising but still relatively low, we're going to be putting more and more of these cryptocurrencies on your radar. Thank you very much. Have a great day and great night, guys.